Just a line. It's not in here. Yep, that's gonna be fun, right? That's starting to look good. Now the fun part. There we go. I love brass. Brass is nice. This is the one I want to use. That's the one I want to use. the transition just come to life. That dark color is from a lot of English woodworkers would rub tallow on their wooden planes and such. See the previous owner. Wishivis. Let's take her for a test drive. See how far I can go in a single push. So there you have it. I am in love with how this came out. Now, I know a lot of people out there are going to say you did too much in the restoration. I want to make this a using saw. I don't want it to be a collector's piece, and it really was too far gone to be a collector's piece. So this is actually a Sorby saw from Sheffield, England, and I wanted to keep the English oak as much as possible. I do have some 100-year-old English oak I was thinking about using for it, but I was able to save this one with just adding in those extra pieces. And I really like how this came out, especially with the matching up with the live oak. It matches in there really nicely. So I'm in love with this, and I hope you are too. If you do want to see more information on this, I have an entire second channel where I go into more detail and I talk through it step by step, what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and what I'm thinking in the process. I'll leave a link to that down below. That is Wood by Wright 2. If you did like the video, please hit like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell. All those things really do help out the channel, and they mean a lot to me. Also, if you want to help out monetarily, you can click the join button, as well as help out on patreon.com. I am completely supported by you, the viewers. I don't do any sponsorships because I want it to be my own words coming through the camera. So I hope you like that. I think that's about it for today, and until next time, have a wonderful day. To all of my viewers out there who talk about me behind my back, you disgust me.